Hey everybody, it's Sunday and today we are going to be doing a eyeshadow tutorial and we are going to be using the new Soph X Revolution palette which came out this week. So here is the new palette. Oh my gosh, it's so super shiny. Let's open it up. I've not even opened it yet. I literally wanted to play with it as soon as it arrived, but I've just not had the time. And you will see why in my vlogs coming up this month. So this is the packaging, and on the back it just shows you all the different colours. This is the extra spice, and I do have the original and the highlighter palette, so I've not put any highlighter on today. So I'm just thought, do you know what, we can do a full fit. Oh my gosh, it's in another bag in the box. Wow, okay. Okay, I'm hoping this is going to be all okay. Gosh, look how shiny this is. Oh my gosh. Wow, this is so pretty. Okay. Ooh. Okay, there we go. There's all the colours. Oh my gosh, aren't they gorgeous? Okay, I think I'm just going to have to swatch some of them. So you've got, so just some of them I've done. It's an Enchanted. Oh, that's a lovely Romance. Love that. That's really nice. Oh, there's this really crazy bright red, which is called 21. So there's Sweet and Sour. Ooh, that's nice. And then I'm going to do Running Late next to it because they look really similar in the pan, and I've just got it on my jacket. Okay, so it's a little bit more muted. There we go. Oh my gosh, there are so many nice colours in here. Let's try this vitamin C. Let's put vitamin C here. Yeah, that's snazzy. How about mulled wine? Ooh. What else? Let's try Aurora. It's like really nice, kind of like forest green. I'm running out of space. Let's put it in the middle there. Yes. Oh, there's just so many colours. I really am impressed. Yeah, really like those. Yeah, let's try and do a look with it, shall we? So I've primed my eyes using Primer Potion, and we're just going to zoom in so we can get a nice good close-up of how these blend. Okay, can we just take a moment to appreciate how pigmented those colours are? Whoa. Like, I was not expecting that. I think these are even better than the last ones. Like, the colour is just blow me out the water. Really amazing. Really amazing. So guys, I'm back and I'm all ready for summer. I mean, I feel like this is the ultimate summer festival get ready palette that you're gonna need this summer. I mean, the boldness of these colours is insane. You know, you've got some truly beautiful pigmented shades in here. I literally feel like I have summer on my face. The shades are amazing. They're really beautiful, really lovely. I love this yellow gold, the La Sun. Yeah, it's just really pretty and went on really nicely. The sweet and sour, wow, that's orange, very orange. Pigmentation is brilliant. I can't fault it. Blends really easily, looks really nice on the eye, and I think, you know, this palette speaks to a lot of people because, you know, you have got your muted brown shades, you've got your kind of like earthy taupey colours, you've got your kind of metal colours which, you know, speak to sort of really pale skin tones, then you've got your nice pops of orange and summery spring colours. Like, I really like this. Now, I did like her old palette. Where is it? I've got it in my hands here. Yeah, I did really like the Soph original, but I didn't find it, like, to me it was like a more of an everyday kind of palette. I think this is definitely more me. It's more like vibrant and a bit more racy, and yeah, it's kind of makes you want to try out different looks. Whereas I think with this, I felt like I was playing it safe all the time, whereas with this I think you can really like jazz things up a bit, and putting the two together, you know, is going to give you a real good combination of different shades. So I am really impressed. I really like what she's done with these, especially liking the new one. I also have the highlighter palette, and I do have that on today. I always get compliments when I wear this, so yeah, I do definitely recommend this. But yeah, I highly recommend her range, really like it, really have enjoyed using it today. Let me know what you think. Like, I see this being, like, if you are going to festivals, like, this is an amazing palette to have. If you're looking for some real summer vibrancy in your makeup, then yeah, definitely get this one. It's so affordable, I'll link below where you can get it. Like, yeah, absolutely nailed it, yeah. So that's everything for me. By the way, I didn't really even get any fallout. Like, I can't, like, there was a tiny bit here when I first started, but that was it. Yeah, so that is everything from me. I know, like, my top doesn't really go with the eyes, but, you know, these things happen when you're feeling spontaneous. So yeah, I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification button. I'll definitely be doing some more looks with this palette. If you enjoyed this one, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.